Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in the chapter of measure of dispersion. Okay, I think 2 classes we have finished, 8 questions we have completed. This is third class. We will finish from question number 9 to 12 in this class. Okay, see, this question is asked in Eamcet 2018. 9th question. If the variance of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is sigma square. Okay, this sigma square we can find variance. Variance we can find that is equal to sigma square, like they are asking, okay, whatever it may be, sigma square. Then the variance of this 112, 114, 116, 18, 20, 22 is how much, like they are asking. You see, this and this we can find and see the formula also, that is one thing. And you can take common also, but the taking common is complicated and unable to understand properly for all students. That is why we will go for normal, what we can say, procedure only. Normal procedure is easy, just a little bit more time consuming, that's all. Okay, but it will avoid any mistake also, calculation mistake. That is why we will go for normal method. Okay, now you see variance, we know the formula. What is the formula? First I will write formula, then accordingly we will go. Okay, sigma square is variance 1 by n sigma x I minus x bar whole square. See, here you can write, if you want, I is equal to 1 to n, like that. Okay? Oh, okay. Okay. Let us proceed. You see, for this you require x bar. X bar means mean. Let us find mean. Comma. X bar is equal to 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 divided by n is how much here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay? Okay. 13, 21, 21. 30, 30, 40, 51, 51 by 6. Or else 3 17s, 3 2s, 17 by 2. 17 by 2, 17 by 2 will be your mean. Why? Because this mean you require here. Okay, now we can find now sigma. Okay, let us find them. See, sigma square is equal to 1 by 6 into, see, big bracket I am keeping, x1 minus x bar, that means see, 6 minus 17 by 2 whole square plus 7 minus 17 by 2 whole square plus 8 minus 17 by 2 whole square plus 9 minus 17 by 2 whole square plus 10 minus 17 by 2 whole square plus 11 minus 17 by 2 whole square, close the bracket. Okay. Now see, internally first we do 12 minus 17, like, then see, divided by 2 will come 4. See, that is equal to 1 by 6 into, see, 12 minus 17, 12 minus 17 minus 5 will come. Okay, but shall I write 5 square by 4 square? 12 minus 17 or 17 minus 12. 17 minus 12 you take. Why? Because anyway we are squaring. Minus 5 square plus 5 square both are same. That is why 5 square I have written. Okay. See, for all 4 square will come. 4 square. If I take 4 square common, then you don't understand. That is why I have not taken common at present. Next step we will take it. Why? Because 2 square. 2 square. Denominator will come, or else we will make like this. Okay. Minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 17 minus 14 minus 3. Actually, sir, 14 minus 3. Okay. No. This is 2. 2 square plus 16 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 18 minus 17, 1 by 2 whole square. Now here plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. 20 minus 17, 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square plus. You see, directly we can say 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will come. Why? Because 22 minus 17, 5. 5 by 2 whole square, now we close. Now I can take common 4. Why? 2 square means 4, 4 will come. Okay, now take common. That means 1 by 6 into 4. This 4 is common, denominator. LCM or something like we can think. Okay. Now you see here, only you put parenthesis enough. 5 square, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. Okay. See here also 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 50, 70. 70 by 6 into 4. Okay. See, 2 35s, 2 3s. 35 by 12. Okay. This will be like this only. That's all. Okay. Sigma square. Okay. Now, okay, this is sigma square. Sigma square. 35 by 12. Once again I will write here. This is sigma square. Okay. I am putting bracket. Okay. Now go back. What they are asking. Now again variance you find like they are asking this variance. This variance we change formula. See, rather than sigma square we write sigma 1 square or something like, or sigma 2 square, whatever it may be. Why? Because it should be different from this. Then they are asking variance of this. How? Comparison how to make. This variance we can find, but how to make relation between them. Let us find. See, before finding this relation, same formula we are going to apply, but here different will come. Okay, now x1 bar I am making. Okay. Why x1 bar I am making? Why? Because x bar already we have made mean. Now same we don't take. x1 bar is equal to, we see 112 plus 114 plus 116 plus 118 plus 120 plus 122 divided by same 6 numbers only. Okay. See, if you are able to add or else you 100 plus 12, 100 plus 14, 100 plus like that also you can make. See how I am making. 100 plus 2 into 6. Okay. Okay. Plus 100 plus 2 into 7 plus 100 plus 2 into 8 plus shall I take common? Why? Because see, let me tell you one thing. Why? Because see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600s are there. 600s means shall I take 600 common? Plus 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 are there. In that also 2 shall I take common? Okay, now you tell me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whole divided by 6. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because you see 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 100. Why? Because 600s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600s are there. Okay. 600s we have separated. If you separate 600, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 will be there. You see 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 are there. Okay. Now this addition already we have done here. 51 has come. Okay. Now we can make it easy. Okay. 600 plus 2 into 51 divided by 6. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because see this 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 15. 45 plus 6, 51. 51 into 2. Okay. Now 102. Okay. 600 plus 102 by 6. That is equal to 702. 702 by 6. Okay. 600 plus 100, 700, but 51 is there. 50 is there means 700. 51 means 102. Okay. Now 702 by 6. 702 by 6 means how much it will come? 6 ones. 6. 10 will be there. Again 6 ones. 6, 4 will be there, 42. 6 sevens are 42. 117 will be your x1 bar. Okay, this you box it. Okay, this you box it now. Why? Because you know this thing you have to do. Again, now I am writing sigma 1 square. Shall I write here? Why? Because I don't want to waste the space. I want to finish within this space. Okay, you see, now sigma 1 square. Why sigma 1 square? Sigma square already we have taken. Now we should not take sigma square. Sigma 1 square, different. Here x1 we have taken, x bar, x1 bar. Sigma square, sigma 1 square. Same formula you write 1 by n. See, n we have not changed. Same numbers. Quantity n. 1 by n into sigma, or else shall I write directly? Why? Because see, 1 by 6 into, okay, this we have to write. Okay, now you see, one step I am jumping. Why? Because here we have done slowly. That much slow we don't require. Why? Because see, 117 is there. Here what was there? 112. 17 minus 12 you do 5. 5 square 25. Okay. 114 minus 17 3. Or 117 minus 14 3. 3 square 9. 117 minus 16 1. 1 square 1. 118, this time you minus this. Why? Because we are squaring. We are squaring means minus or plus both are same. 18 minus 17 1. 1 square 1. 20 minus 17 3. 3 square 9. 22 minus 17 5. 5 square 25. Okay, see, same will come here also. Okay, earlier we have done same thing. This how much was come? 70. Again this is also going to become 70. Why? 9 plus 1 10. 10, 20 plus 50, 70. Okay, that means here sigma square is equal to 1 by 6 into 70. 1 by 6 into 70. Okay, now see, 2 35s, 2 3s. 35 by 3 will come. 35 by 3. Okay, this I am making this like this. You see, this is sigma 1 square. Sigma 1 square will be 35 by 3. Now you see, they are not asking what is the sigma 1 square or what is the variance like. They are asking comparison. You see, if you observe carefully, comparison you have to do. Comparison while doing automatically, which one is answer like also you have to think. You see, 2 sigma square. Is it 2 times this? Next one. That means what they are telling, this variance sigma 1 square should be 2 times of sigma square. Is it okay? Why? Because you see here, 2 times of sigma square, 35 by 12. 2 6 times will go. That means 35 by 6 should come, but 35 by 3 has come. That means the first answer is wrong. Now go for 4 sigma square. 4 sigma square is equal to 4 into 35 by 12. Okay, 4 1s, 4 3s. That is equal to 35 by 3. 35 by 3 is your answer. That means, see, your answer is this one. 4 sigma square is your answer. Okay. Here, wantedly I have done slowly to make you understand. Or else this is not that much time taking question. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See, question number 10. Answer 2018 question only. The mean of 5 observations is 4. Okay. Those observations may be a plus b plus c plus d plus e. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 4. And their variance is also 4. Variance also, we will write formula afterwards. But important thing they have written. 3 of 5 observations are 1, 3, 4. That means we need not take a plus b plus c. You take only 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus x plus y. Or 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus a plus b. Like that we can take. Okay. Then the product of other 2. That means see, remaining 2 are there. Product they are asking. Let us take a, b. Okay. Like that also we can take. See what I am writing first. Mean x bar is equal to, I am writing, you see, 1 plus 3 plus 4. This is already given. A plus b. Shall I take a plus b? Why? Because these two we don't know. Only 3 only we know among 5. Divided by 5. Implies 4 they have given this mean. Okay. That means you see 4 plus 3 7 8. 8 plus A plus B is equal to 20. R is 5 into 4. Why? Mean they have given 4. 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Okay? Then you see A plus B is equal to 20 minus 8. R else A plus B is equal to 12. This you put in box. We have got A plus B. They are asking A into B. Product of other two. These are other two. These are 3. These are other two. AB they are asking A into B. AB means A into B. Okay? This is one thing. And also they have given variance. Variance means how we are going to write? Sigma square is equal to, okay? See how I am writing. 1 by n sigma x square minus mean square. This also I can write rather than this. Okay? See how I am writing. Why? Because this mean I have got already. That is why I want to, what we can say, 4 square they have given. Okay? Now you see n also we know n is 5. 1 by 5 into, okay? See 1 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus A square plus B square minus 16 4 square is equal to, again that is also 4 they have given 4. Okay? Now see how I am making this. See 4 square 16 9 25 26. That means you see 26 plus A square plus B square divided by 5 is equal to, divided by 5 minus 16 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Why? Because 4 square is 16. This is going to be 16, 9, 25 plus 1, 26 plus A square plus B square divided by 5. This divided by 5 is only for this one. Why? Because this separate you have already made. Okay, now you see comma I am keeping. Now you cross multiply. Why? Because see 26 plus A square plus B square minus 80 divided by 5. Cross multiplication, if you do 5 into 16 minus 80 divided by 5 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay, now this you further 26 plus A square plus B square minus 80 is equal to 20. One step shall I jump? Why? Because this 80 also you send that side 100. Okay? Now A square plus B square, write down. A square plus B square is equal to 100 minus 26. That is equal to 74. See, you have got A square plus B square is equal to 74. You have got A plus B is equal to 12. Can we find AB? Definitely we can find AB. Why? Because you go for A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. See, you have got A plus B, square it. Okay? A square plus B square value you are having. 2AB you will find, then divided by 2 will be your AB. Okay? See, A plus B, 12 square is equal to A square plus B square together is going to become 74 plus 2AB. Okay? Now you see 2AB is equal to 144 minus 74. Why? Because the total square is 144. 144 minus 74. Okay? Then AB will be, AB is equal to, you see 4 minus 4 0, 14 minus 7 70. Okay? AB. See, this is 2AB. AB is equal to 75 by 2, that is equal to 35. That means the product of other two is 35. A into B is 35. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 11, answer 2018 question. The mean and standard deviation of a data of 8 items are 25 and 5 respectively. If two terms 15 and 25 are added to this data, then the variance of new data is how much, like they are asking. So this is simple only, but what we can say different model, that is why I have taken this question also. Okay, first you see 8 numbers are there, but 8 numbers separate you don't know. Okay, separate you don't know. What you are going to take? Let us take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Shall we take? Let us take, that is not a run. Okay, let data, or else I will write like this, you see, H bar, why? Because mean they are telling, H bar is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H. Total 8 are there. Why? Because up to D, E, F, G, H. Okay, divide it by 8. 8 numbers is equal to 25. R else shall I write A plus B plus E plus D? R else shall I write sigma x? Why? Because sigma x means we are adding all. Sigma x I also you can write. Okay, sigma xi is this one, we are adding, that is equal to 25 into 8. Is it okay? Yes, why? Because 25 into 8, sigma xi. This they have given already 25. Okay, now second one is variance also they have given. You see standard deviation, not variance, standard deviation they have given. The mean, this is the mean 25 or sigma xi we have got. Variance they are, standard deviation they have given. See, first I will write standard deviation here. Standard deviation sigma 1, or else shall I write like this, sigma 1 square under root. Why? Because the variance we will find. If you apply root, then that is going to become this one. Okay? So, okay, let it be sigma 1 only I will take. Sigma 1 is equal to 5 they have given. That means see, sigma 1 square is equal to 25. At one go I have written that also. Why? Because the 5 standard deviation means variance will be 25. We know very well square of this standard deviation is sigma, variance. Okay? Okay, now see, this formula like that formula also we will write. Why? Because see, sigma 1 square. Why we have taken 1? Here also we have to take 1. Why? Because see, now we are going to change the second one. Okay, that is why let us take 1 only. Okay, now see, variance sigma 1 square. Sigma 1 square is equal to sigma 1 by n first you write. Why? Because the n is 8, you are 8. 1 by 8 into sigma x square or xi square, shall I write xi square minus x1 bar whole square. Okay, mean square. Why? Because mean you have got 25 square. Okay, but this value we know. That means see, implies I am writing 25 is equal to, or else we will write like this. Okay, see, sigma xi square, or else shall I write sigma x1 square. Why? Because see, x2 means again 15 plus 25 we will add afterwards. Okay, sigma xi only we will write. Sigma xi square divided by n. But n value you know, n is 8 minus x1 bar square, 25 square. Okay, that means it's 625. x1 bar square, 25 square is equal to 625. This value they have given. What? How much? Sigma 1 square, 25. That is equal to 25. Divided by 1. Okay. Now this also you make it. See, sigma xi square minus 8 into 625, or we will write 8 into 625 only at present. Divided by 8 is equal to 25, or that is equal to 25 into 8. Shall I write like this? Why? Because denominator 8 will come. 8 into 25 we have written. Okay. Now you see, sigma x square you are going to get now. How you are going to get? You see, sigma xi square is equal to this, you make plus that side. Okay, 625 into 8 plus 25 into 8, or else you take 8 common, 650. 625 plus 25, 8 you have taken common, 8 into 650. 8 into 650 is your sigma xi square. Okay? See this notation, what I have to do, I don't know. Why? Because x1 square if you give means first term like it will come. That is why I don't want to give that term notation. Okay? Now this you box it here. Okay. Now go back. These are all okay. Why? Because individually numbers you don't know, 8 numbers you don't know, but the total square if you add, that is going to become 650 into 8. Without square if you add, that is going to become 25 into 8. 25 into 8 means 200 will come. This is 200. Okay? This is also going to come. That is not a problem. Okay, now go back. 2 terms now we have added. 15 and 25 this series. If you add 2 terms, so total n how much it is going to become? 10. Earlier was 8 only. 8. This 8. But again 2 terms we are adding. Now n is going to change 10. Okay. Now you see x2 bar I am writing. x2 bar. x2 bar is equal to, earlier this you know, sigma x 25 into 8. Write down 25 into 8 plus these 2 terms 15 plus 25. Okay, divided by, earlier 25 into 8 by 8 was there. Okay, that is why. Now into 10 we have to make. Divided by 10 you have to make. Why? Because see, n has increased now. Okay, earlier only 8 was there, but now plus 2, 10 total. Okay, this have they given? Not given. But we can find. Why? Because see, data only here. 25 into 8 is 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 8 is 200. 200 plus 40. 25 plus 15 is 40. Divided by 10. That is equal to 240 by 10. That is equal to 24. This 24 is your x2 bar. This you box it now. See, x1 bar was 25. They have given. x2 bar you have found 24. Okay. Now reduce your, earlier 25 was there, 24 has come. Okay, now go back what they are asking. What is the variance of new data? Now earlier sigma 1 square is there. Now sigma 2 square you have to find. See, they have not given variance, they have given standard deviation but asking variance. The standard deviation we have converted into variance after squaring. Okay. Now variance only they are asking again. Okay. Okay. Now sigma 2 square I am writing. This is sigma 2 square. How we are going to make sigma 2 square? Sigma 2 square is equal to, see, 1 by 10. Why? Because now we have changed. Sigma 1 means 1 by 8 only. But now not 1 by 8. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 sigma x 2y square I am writing. Why? Because earlier xi square was there. Now 2y square I am writing. Why? Because this series have changed. This series have changed. Okay. 2y square minus x2 bar whole square. x2 bar whole square. Okay. Understand this? Why? Because x1 was there, xi was there, x2i we have written. Why? Because this is for first series xi. This is for second series. Second series 2 items included. That is why x2i I have taken. But this we can take liberty. Okay, now you see, this we have to find. That is why LHS will not come, RHS you have to find. Oh, see, sigma x is 2i square, how you are going to get? Definitely we can get. Why? Because see, I am changing this, you see. Sigma xi square plus 15 square plus 25 square divided by 10 minus x2 is 24. 24 square. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, these two numbers you have added here, 15 now, 25. Now this square is this one. 650 into 8. Okay, sigma xi square. Sigma x square plus 15 square plus 2, 25 square. Divided by 10 you have to write. Okay? Let us make it. That is equal to, this divided by 1 is equal. 650 into 8. 650 into 8 plus 15 square 225. 25 square 625 divided by 10. See, I will write here. Why? Because see again 24 square by 1 also I have to write. Okay, that is why I will write here. You see, sigma s square I already have made 650 into 8. 650 into 8 plus 225. 225 means 15 square is 225. Okay, 25 square is 625. Divided by 10 minus 24 square 576 divided by 1 is equal to. Now you have to solve this, then you will get the answer. Okay, you see, first you add these two. 625 plus 25, 650. 650 plus 200, 850. Okay, 650 into 8 plus 850 divided by 10 minus 576 by 1. Okay, let us proceed. Cross multiply. 650 into 8. Now I am adding. Okay, you see 800, 8 5s are 40. 800, 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 5200 plus 850 minus cross multiplication I have made 5760 divided by 10. That is equal to. Okay, you see 5200 plus 850. 5200 plus 850. 0, 5, 10, 6. 6050. See, 6050 minus 5760 divided by 10. That is equal to 6050 5760 0 15 6 9 90. Okay, then what will be there here? 9 will be there. 290. Is it okay? 290 0 15 10. Yes, correct. 290. 290 by 10. Then 0 0 you cancel out. That means 29 will be your answer. Okay. Sigma 2 square will be 29. Earlier sigma 1 square how much was there? 25. Now it has been increased. But you see, mean has been reduced. Earlier mean was 25, but mean is reduced. Mean reduced, but the variance increased. Okay. This is answer for this question. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 12. Eamcet 2014 question. The mean of 4 observations is 3. Okay. If the sum of the squares of these observations is 45. Okay. Then the standard deviation is how much, like they are asking. See here they are not asking variance, they are asking standard deviation. That means first you have to find variance, then you apply square root, you are going to get the standard deviation. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, see first 4 observations they are making mean. Why? Because the 4 is what we can say small figure only. Shall I take a plus b plus c plus d? Okay, see what I am making. H bar is equal to a plus b plus c plus d divided by 4. This they have given as 3. That means a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 12. Okay, this you box it. Understand? Why? Because the 4 observations means 4 observations. If 4 observations together, if 12 means automatically 12 by 4 is going to give 3 mean. Okay, that is one thing. Sum of the squares of these observations. You see, sum of the squares means how you are going to write? You are going to write like this, you see. A square plus b square plus c square plus d square. Sum squares. Sum of the squares of these observations is 48. Okay. Here there is no division. Simply they are given. You see, sum of the squares of these observations is 48. Okay. Okay. How it is going to calculate variance? Okay, I am writing this in. Sigma square variance is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus d square divided by n. See, n is 4 here, 4 observations. I will write here n is equal to 4. Okay, here this is 4 n minus x bar square. Okay, this formula if you use this, it is useful for you. Okay, now write down then. This they have given already 48. 48 divided by n also 4 minus x bar also x bar directly they have given 3 square by 1, that is equal to, first we will find sigma square, then we will apply square root. Okay, you see 12 minus 9, 4 12s are 48, 9, 12 minus 9 is 3. This 3 is what? This 3 is variance, sigma square, not standard deviation. Okay, but they are asking standard deviation. Write down standard deviation, comma sigma is equal to root 3. Why? Because you apply root square. Sigma square is 3 means sigma will be root 3. That's all. Okay, this is answer for this question. Okay, we do one thing. We will stop this class. We will continue in the next class for further 4 more questions from question number 13 to 16. Okay, thank you very much.